Hi, I'm Bill Griffith. In this demo, I'm going to teach you how to use the natural language classifier service from IBM to sort incoming requests to the right department. So you can see as an example, someone posts, how can you help me buy a boat? And you got to tell the company why you're trying to do that. And then behind the scenes, someone's reading this to determine which department that needs to go to. So what we want to do is automate that process. So the way that we do that is we use the natural language classifier service, which is a machine learning based AI service from IBM. It's a natural language classifier. So I'm going to create a service. This is just for me. I have my own service. Every company can have their own. The data is protected. This is your data, and IBM doesn't use your data for training other AI systems. So it's got this toolkit, which makes training it very easy and testing very easy. It's in beta. Okay, so you see a button here for adding training data, and here's my training data of the various examples. I have a few, 20 some odd examples per department. So the first thing I'm going to do is import that file. That's called natural language classifier. Matches up here. Let's do open. And Watson's importing those questions so that I can then create a classifier and use these examples so it will know how to route to the right department. So then I'm going to create the classifier. I'm going to call it customer service department sorter. And I'm just going to choose English. It does speak other languages. And then I'm going to click the create button. So the data was submitted and it is now training. Alright, so it's finished training. So now I can click the go button and I can test it out. So you'll see in here I did a search for, in my training set, buy a boat. And you'll see that that question is not in the training set. I'd like to buy a boat. You can imagine me asking my bank this. And Watson knows or believes that there's a 99% chance that what I'm asking is a life event. And if I agree, I can do the checkbox. Now let's say I ask something else like, can you please help me? Now I'm a little frustrated and I don't match any of these. I really want to speak to a customer service rep. And I would say that's correct. Now the secret is that Watson tells you the percentage of accuracy or the percentage of confidence it has in that answer. So if there's a question that comes in, I haven't tried this, but let's try are you Skynet? Right? And in this case it says go to customer service help, which is probably accurate in this case. But if it is wrong, you would click this button to say that it's wrong, and then you can change where it should go. But the key point is if the confidence is not that high, then route this to humans. But if the confidence is pretty confident, like 99%, then assume that's pretty accurate and route that to that department, the new accounts department, for example. But the key is that don't expect these AI systems to solve everything for you, but if they can cut down some of the work and automate some of the work, you're going to have a faster turnaround with your customers. And that's really how this AI journey is going to be. It's going to be augmenting at various places, automating subsets of the systems, and then eventually you can get better efficiencies. So there you have it, a simple spreadsheet of questions and departments. This can then be called as an API when emails come in from your website, such as this. That could be at the end of this post. It would just go through this service, and then it would route to the right department. Thank you.